Hey guys, Chris here with CGM Auto Brokers, and man, do I got a nice one today. This is a very budget-friendly 2017 Keystone Bullet Crossfire model 2070BH. Check it out. The awning is in excellent condition. You got outdoor speakers. Tires are practically brand new in excellent condition. Full pass-through storage over there, guys. This is a power awning. You've got roof access, backup camera controls. You've got a spare tire. Check it out on this side as well, guys. No delamination or anything funky going on over here. Everything works, guys. No leaks, no soft spots, and it has a clean title. Let's step inside. Again, model 2070BH. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, to your right is the sofa. Now, the sofa will fold flat. You can use that as a sleeper, but you've got a Murphy bed behind the wall here. You just put this down, and you got a full queen-size bed, guys. You've got storage on both sides as well. More storage underneath over here. You got a 2-burner stove, large sink, more storage up top, microwave with a light and a fan. We've got a refrigerator over here and freezer, works off of electricity or propane. More storage up top, flat screen television, entertainment, buttons for your awning and your lights over here. Rooftop AC, guys. This is a 30 amp unit. This air condition is ice cold. Dinette, boot style. This also turns into a bed, guys. And absolutely what everybody loves, the bunks. All right, and we got a nice pantry closet over here as well. Plenty of storage on this thing, guys. You even got storage underneath the couch over there and underneath the benches here. Let's step into the bathroom, and we got a very spacious bathroom with a shower tub, power roof vent, more storage in the vanity, another sink, and commode. Guys, this thing is in excellent condition, and we got it priced to sell. Again, this is super solid, guys. No leaks, no soft spots. Let me show you. You got a little bit of peeling on the upholstery right there. That's about it, guys. Again, remember, that folds down. That is a queen-size bed. So, hey, if you guys are interested, my name is Chris with CGM Auto Brokers. You can reach me directly at 704-620-8388. Again, 704-620-8388. Visit us online, www.cgmautobrokers.com. Come see us in person as well, 4708 West Highway 74, Monroe, North Carolina, 28110. Guys, we do offer financing. We offer transport and delivery as well, guys, and we have plenty of other items in stock as well if you are interested. Guys, please, if you like these videos, please like, please subscribe, share it with a friend, leave a comment if you got a question or call. But most importantly, guys, remember, Jesus loves you. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.